Hello everyone, I'm Rinku Dhiman, working as an assistant professor in electrical engineering department at RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. So today I'm going to discuss about the application of power electronics. So applications of power electronics includes a wide range of areas. So the first one is your industrial applications. Then we will discuss about the transportation application, then utility systems. Then we will discuss about the power supplies for all kind of electronic equipment. Then later on we will discuss the residential and home appliances, space technologies, and the other applications where we are using the widely power electronics nowadays as a converter. So the first one is residential and home appliances based application of power electronics. As we much aware about that, we have a lighting system in our home or in residential areas. So the nowadays automatic lights are very popular. So even solar based street lighting are also available over there. So all these equipments are utilizing nowadays the power electronics devices. Then the second is the heating elements for the heating purposes, or we can say that room heaters are utilizing nowadays the power electronics appliances. Then air conditioners, the automatic air conditioner, or we can say that dual converter based air conditioners are available nowadays, and they are working on the principle of dual conversion, like they will work for both the AC and DC, we can say. So they will utilize the rotary inverter kind of principles. In refrigeration and freezers, in refrigerators, the electronic PCB and the circuit is designed using the power electronic devices as well. In cooking systems, we can take the example of our automatic induction heater or induction heating, we can say that. In oven, so we can utilize the principle of power electronics as well, or ICs, MOSFETs are using over there. In cleaning, automatic cleaning systems also utilizing the power electronic devices that is electronically operated. Space technology, that spaceship power system are utilizing a wide range of power electronic devices. In satellite power system, we also utilize the power electronic devices, say in communication, or we can say that designing the number of electronics equipment at the space power system. In space vehicle power systems, also utilizing the power advanced power electronic technologies. If we'll talk about the utility system, so utility system is related to our again electrical power system. So we have the number of devices in electrical power systems. The first one is a HVDC. So for high voltage transmission, we always utilize the HVDC transmission system, because in HVDC systems we have to use the power converter at sending end as well as receiving ends. Okay, so between the HVDC medium or at the end of those, we have to need the power converter. So which will behave like a dual converter as well, AC to DC and DC to AC conversion. Again, fact devices. So there is a lot of faults in the power system over there. So we always rely the fact flexible AC transmission devices, and they are based on our power electronic switchings. Then static VAR, and as there is a lot of harmonics produced in the power system transmission, and that harmonic are suppressed by using the compensation technique. So we always utilize the static VR compensation, or we can say that fixed capacitor compensation, TCR, TSC, SVG, and APF. Okay, so all these equipments are based on our ICs, we can say. ICs are related to our power electronic devices. Okay, then again custom power and power supply control. For the power supply control and customize our power from grid to utility, we always utilize the automation system or the centralized automatic DCS system. For that purpose, or those are constructed using the power electronic devices as well. The next, power supply for all kind of electronic equipment. So our electronic daily uses equipments, or in official equipment, we can telecommunication systems are utilizing power electronic devices, computers, office equipment, and electronic instruments. So all these kind of electronic components or equipments require the power electronics. applications. Then finally, we'll talk about the industrial application and transportation application. In industrial applications, we have to do heavy work on the different loads. So for that, we have to need a high voltage motor drives, or we can say that there is a lot of processes that is done by using the high duty motor drives. So the first one is motor drives are running, or power electronics drives are basically very famous in industries nowadays for automation purpose. In electrolysis process, we always utilize the power electronics component. Then electroplating equipments, say in car industry or in some other metal industry, we always utilize the principle of electroplating. And for that purpose, we have to need the electronic circuit, the power electronic circuit, to automate that process. In induction heatings, so in large areas or in large furnaces, boiler system, we always utilize induction heating because it is very is a form of heat, electric heating, so it is very clean, pollution free, and very efficient. Right. Then transportation application, in train and locomotives, we can utilize the power electronic devices, subway, trolley buses, magnetic levitations, electric vehicles, and automotive electronics. All these application of our transportations. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe our channel. Please stay tuned with us for more videos on power electronics. Thank you.